I'm calling on behalf of my sister. She was here. She came on a visiting visa. She stayed for 4 months, and then she was having some problems because she left her son back home. Because she came with one of her sons and left 2 back home.
How did she come to the United States?
One visiting visa.
On a visitor's visa?
Yes, sir.
All right, so you're calling on behalf of your sister who came on a visitor's visa, who left the son behind, and I guess your sister is out of status now, correct?
She went back home. When she came back at the airport, she was deported back to Kenya.
Okay.
She was deported because they checked in her, the immigration checked in her phone, and they found a video that showed that she was working when she was here.
All right. So she's not going to be able to come back unless she gets a waiver because she has a misrepresentation issue. Okay.
Yes,
she can only get a waiver for a green card through a spouse or a parent. So if she doesn't have parents here, she has to have a spouse or she's never getting to America. Ever.
She doesn't have a spouse here.
Then she would not be able to get to America. As for the son, how old is the son?
The son is back in Africa with her, so she doesn't have the family here.
So nobody's here now.
It's just her sister.
Unfortunately, she screwed up. She traveled with videos showing she's working in the U.S. on a tourist visa. Don't do that. There's nothing you can do now. She's barred for life. When you get caught at the airport on a visitor's visa and deported because they found out you were working on a visitor's visa, you are never coming back again, ever. Unless.
But they still have 5 years. They gave her 5 years.
And I am telling you, forever. They told her 5 years for the deportation. What they didn't tell her is that the misrepresentation of working on a tourist visa is lifetime. And the reason they don't do that is they don't want the person to have a breakdown in the airport. They want to deport them as easy as possible and screw them when they find out in 5 years they're never coming back. Because can't come back for 2 reasons. 1, 5 years for deportation, lifetime for misrepresentation. And the only way to overcome the misrepresentation at this point is to be married to a U.S. citizen or a permanent resident and get a waiver through that marriage, or have parents who are U.S. citizens or residents. Other than that, never coming back ever. I'm sorry to report that. I'm a messenger, but it's what it is.
Thank you so much.
All right.